Why be ordinary when you can make it extraordinary, which is exactly what we're going to get with today's recipe, which is a cashew chicken. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. That's right, you guys. We are going to take some tender chicken along with a savory sauce, some fragrant vegetables, and some roasted cashews. And together, we are going to make the most delicious cashew chicken. Everything that we need to put this deliciousness together is on the screen. So get everything together, you guys. Come back and I'll show you how it all comes together coming up next. Welcome back, everyone. There are three main components to this meal. We have our cubed chicken breast, we have our savory sauce, we've got some fresh, fragrant, crunchy veggies, and we also have some crunchy cashews that have been roasted in the oven at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes. So the key to putting this meal together seamlessly is to prep everything in advance. So in this bowl, we have our cubed chicken, and we are going to start with adding some avocado oil. Give this a mix so that every piece is coated with some of this oil. And today we are just going to add some very simple seasoning because this dish is going to get all of its flavor from the veggies and the delicious sauce that we're going to put together. So I'm just going to sprinkle some salt, some black pepper, and give this a good mix. All right, everyone, I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to bring to the center all of the ingredients for my sauce. In this bowl, I've got some chicken broth, and to it, I'm going to start layering in the flavor. I've got some rice vinegar, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, ketchup, minced garlic, grated ginger, and some brown sweetener. Mix this thoroughly, and then we're going to add in our thickener. Okay, now that this is well combined, I am going to add in my thickener, which if you're not counting the carbs, then you can add in some cornstarch or some xanthan gum, which is what I have here. Okay, everyone, set this aside. And the last thing that we needed to prep are our veggies. And here, as you can see, I've got a colorful medley of veggies. I've got some onions, some green peppers, and some red peppers. And each one of these has been cut into about 1/4 inch cube. So with this, you guys, along with our roasted cashews, I'm gonna bring all of the ingredients over to the stove and we are going to put together this cashew chicken. To our heated skillet, we are going to add some avocado oil. And in goes our chicken. Okay guys, so this is going to cook for approximately 2 minutes per side. Okay, time to flip. And once I have all the pieces turned, I will let them cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until we have a nice golden brown color on that side as well. Just like that. Okay, everyone, see this color? This is exactly what we want. This chicken is ready. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put this aside in a bowl, and then we are going to move on to cooking our veggies. Okay, just a little bit more oil to our pan. And we're going to add our onions. Okay. Now add in our peppers. Okay, it has been about a minute. We are going to add our sauce, and this will help to glaze this pan, and add our chicken back in. And we're going to bring that to a simmer. All right, everyone. This has come to a simmer. This sauce has thickened up, as you can see here. And all of these flavors have come together beautifully. The last thing that we need to do before serving is to add in our roasted cashews. Turn off this flame. And this is ready to serve. All right, everyone, let's eat. Lord, I thank you. You guys, I just want to look at this for a minute because this looks phenomenal. This is definitely restaurant quality recipe right here. Absolutely phenomenal. It smells good, it looks good, and it just invites you in. And it tastes good. Oh my gosh. You've got tender chunks of chicken. You've got this savory sauce. You've got the freshness of these veggies, and you've got the crunch of these roasted cashews. It is a melody of deliciousness, you guys. You have got to give this a try. We eat a lot of chicken in this family, and I tell you, with meals like this, you will never get bored with it. Give it a try, and then let me know that you did by leaving it in the comments. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special with delicious restaurant quality meals such as this. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. And all you need are some sides. I'm doing cauli rice. My husband is doing a regular rice. And with that, you guys, enjoy.